Welcome to activity number one of my favorites because I'll get to know you by the end of your submissions. Intro to Hospitality is all about people, and so what better way than to introduce ourselves? I am going to start by modeling the activity so that you can see how to be able to share with me your name, your goal, or what you hope to gain from the class, and then what hospitality experience or knowledge you have. It could be as an employee, if you're working in the industry. It could be as a customer, if you've ever eaten in a restaurant, flown in a plane, stayed in a hotel, ordered takeout, done DoorDash, you're a customer. Or as a critic, if you've maybe had some thoughts about the service that you received or the product that you received. Maybe you've posted a review, or maybe you've told some friends. So I'd love to hear about all of that. And I'll start with myself. As I mentioned in the previous video, my name's Lisa Crone, and while I'm your adjunct professor for Intro to Hospitality, HTM 101, I also have a day job where I work at for Marriott International. I've been with the company for 27 years, and always in the Bay Area. Currently, I hold the position of Market Director of Human Resources, supporting the ladies and gentlemen of both the Ritz-Carlton Half Moon Bay and the Ritz-Carlton San Francisco. Although I'm in Human Resources now, I did spend the first 13, 14 years of my career in operations, working in housekeeping, in restaurants, in front office. So I've fallen in love with the hospitality industry, in particular hotels in my case. But in this class, we're going to talk about more than just hotels. So I'm excited to share some of those fun stories and experiences with you. I do hope to gain from you an understanding of your passion for hospitality. Perhaps you are thinking about it as a career. Perhaps you're already in it and want to pursue a degree to further your abilities in the career. Maybe you haven't thought about it. Maybe you needed some credits. I want to know what you want to gain from the class so that I can tailor some of the materials to meet and suit your needs. And throughout, I'll be able to share my hospitality experience and knowledge. I've already shared a little bit of how my employment has been, but I'm also a customer, and I'll very regularly share some experiences, especially in this COVID times. The experiences are a little bit different when it comes to eating out, and the rules are changing each time you go to a place, it feels like. So it'll be fun to share some of those stories with you this semester. And now it's your turn. Please submit to me your introductions. It can be a video if you like, or it could be a text, or not a text message, but in the text box submitting. It could be on a PowerPoint. It could be a written document that you send me with kind of answers to some of these questions. But I do certainly look forward to meeting you and working with you this semester. Thank you.